9 months into a hitchhike adventure around the world, I'm now in the east of Egypt, about to board a boat to Saudi. This is exactly what I was dreaming of. Nice recliner chair, cool air-conditioned room. 5, 6 maybe hours of chilling. Wow, my body really is learning to sleep when it can. I just slept for about 5 hours, I think, in this chair. Just like here. With my sleeping bag made all the difference just over me. It's very cold in this air-conditioned room. But I imagine the sun might have risen and we might be nearly in Saudi now, so I'm gonna pack up and head up top. Wow. Yeah, the sun's risen. Check out that ocean. Well, sea, just the Red Sea. Sea, no land in any direction. None at all. Oi, oi, Saudi Arabia. I'm always judging myself against the people around me, and in the Arab world I judge myself as very tense and in a rush are the two big flaws I've been noticing recently. These guys are so comfortable and chilled with each other, and even getting on the ferry, everyone was just laid back, just smoking their shisha, and I was panicking, you know. I like to get places on time, and I think that's due to my school was always so insistent on never being late and being there to the minute, and so it gives me a bit of tension. The visa seems to be all okay, it's just the system that's down or something, but they've left me here for, 4-ish hours. It's probably 3:30 in the afternoon now. Very ready to keep moving, but as well air-conditioned, had some coffee and some tuna. Can't really complain. I know, perfect test of the endurance, right? Perfect test of the patience. But I mean, even if I could just sit here and be all and joyful, it's not what I want. Not that I can, but it's just, I want change, I want some excitement. There goes El Sol. This has actually worked out pretty well, you know. I was on the edge of having to buy a hotel or something tonight just because I really do need a shower and I wanted a safe-ish place to stay for the first night in Saudi. But yeah, with permission to sleep here is actually really, really calm, and the toilets are clean, so I'll be able to wash in the sink maybe. Yeah, can't complain. This is gonna be the bed, I think. Just tucked between the chairs. Change of plan. The system came back online. It's about 8 in the evening, so it is time for me to go. A little bit disappointing. I was quite looking forward to the night of chilling without any worry about where I'm sleeping and all that, but hey, c'est la vie, had to be. I'd spent the afternoon frustrated that I had to stay, so only right that I then get kicked out just as I'm comfortable with it. Et voila, onwards and upwards. Pleased to say that is my second cement mixer of this trip. Yeah, very easy. It was a bit nerve-wracking getting off in the dark in Saudi Arabia, but yeah, not more than a 5-minute wait and someone stopped for me. 5-minute walk, that is. Home sweet home. Yeah, it wasn't my first choice of where to sleep, but I arrived late at night at this hotel place and it turned out to be 35-40 quid for one night, so it didn't seem worth it because it was so late. And yeah, I actually slept pretty decently, probably for 6 hours again. Maybe I'll splash out and spend the 35 on one night here. Would be nice to clean up and have one good day of rest. Do not feel like I belong in the hotel. Pretty grubby and disgusting, but yeah, overdue a shower. to be fair. I mean, at least I didn't pay for one last night, eh? It's got to be the take-home message, but phew, crazy money, crazy. So in the last handful of days, I've bought my visa, the ferry, and now this. Oh wow, okay. Right, this is luxury. That's locked. Oh my lord. This is actual insane. Whoa. Tamam. Well, what an expensive night, but not gonna lie, I have zero regrets. I needed exactly that. I needed to wash up, I needed some actual rest, slept for probably 12 hours, and I maxed out how many hours you could get from that money. I mean, I was here for 30 hours, I probably could have rinsed it another 2, but I wanna get onto this road and head towards Medina. So yeah, that's the plan for today. It's a big country, this is a big country. I'm gonna lazy hitchhike while I walk along here. May as well just throw a couple thumbs out, you never know. You're too kind, thank you.
I accommodate some people here at this hotel here.
Oh, wonderful.
My daughter, she's opening her face. She's studying, she speaks English, good fluent English. My son also.
Lazy hitchhike worked. And for someone on the other side of the road, my man was just driving the other direction, saw me trying to hitchhike and turned around and drove me to the edge of town, so that saves the hour walk to start the day. Assalamu alaikum, Haji. Ma اسمك؟ محمد. تشرفنا. Yeah, this is going to be a breeze. That was the first car, and look how cool it is. My goodness. Broken, rusty truck. Lovely little kid and his dad. Wow. Salam. Zab ella Medina. Medina. Check it out, about 200 kilometers later, dropped off just before the next big city, and this road kind of cuts across it, so it's pretty perfect for a hitchhiker. Often you get stuck falling into city wells where you can't get out that easily, but this is a main road which keeps going on towards Medina, so it should be possible today. I think it's about 3 hours of sun left and about 3 hours left of driving, so pretty perfect. I'm not in a rush to get another lift though. I actually want to eat a bit of food first. It's quite late in the day. But yeah, it shouldn't be difficult. Unbelievably easy so far. Let's go Saudi. I'm not gonna lie, that guy was a little bit crazy. The other Pakistani driver that I had was chewing some drug of some sort, and I think that guy might have been on something similar. Just super high energy. Pretty insane. Shukran, Haji, shukran. I'm good, how are you?
Where are you going?
Azab Ella Medina.
Oh,
But just down this road a little bit's very kind.
we're going to Real Commission, huh?
Well, that's about 400 kilometers down today, maybe a bit more even. The sun is setting though, so pretty eager to get another lift, getting away from someone. hoping that some trucks will come. There's quite a long walk onto the road to Medina. It's about 3 kilometers actually, but this slip road does definitely join us. So. Ibrahim, thank you, that was easy. Third car that passed, and he blasted it at like 200 kilometers an hour down to probably 20 kilometers later, but let's see if either of these cars might stop for me. Wow, there was a Dodge that just stopped for me. Speedy little car, full blacked out windows. Dude's in the army, but I don't know how he's got a vehicle like that. Listen. What the fuck? I mean, there are 2 trees. Well, good morning. What a beautiful campsite. I slept for 9 hours, I think, with these 2 luscious big trees to hold me floating. Lots of bits to grab onto. This layer of bush as well as a kind of camouflage. I mean, you can't even really see the road from here, but it's not far at all. There's a road right here and another one up the back. That's the road I need to stay. But yeah, having the triangle of roads around is another layer of protection as well. It's like super safe in the middle here. I feel very calm and I slept very deeply because of it. Lonzi. It is 7 in the morning and only an hour and 20 minutes to Medina. So hopefully get there pretty quick time and then gonna find my couch surfing host. Hopefully this road will get us onto the Medina road reasonably easily. Haji Fard, thank you dude, got me about 30 kilometers down the road and to a way better spot. This is a lovely stopping place for the main road, so should be able to hitchhike from here. Got a screech to stopper. Got a little reverse for us as well, what a hero. Wow, what an awesome lift. That dude was so insightful. Super energetic, great storyteller. He worked with titanium and he was telling me about how he had a huge lump of molten iron the other day. Molten ore, in fact. But yeah, I just went and left the camera in the car, so very fortunate he turned around and found me. Now sat outside what I hope is my couch surfing host. But I'm yet to see him. I messaged him to say I'm here, so hopefully he can find me. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. The plan is to post another update next week, but in the meantime, if you missed either of these 2, check them out.